Discover 5 free AI tools that are so powerful they feel like cheating. Tool 1. ChatGPT. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. This AI can write essays, code, and even jokes. It's like having a personal assistant 24/7. Tool 2. Midjourney. Next, Midjourney turns your text prompts into stunning images, perfect for artists and content creators. Tool 3. 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers realistic AI voiceovers. Create audiobooks or narrate videos without recording a single word. Tool 4. Notion AI. Notion AI enhances your notes by summarizing, translating, and generating content. Boost your productivity effortlessly. Tool 5. Runway ML. Finally, Runway ML provides advanced video editing powered by AI. Remove backgrounds, generate effects, and more. Subscribe to Future Stack for more AI tools that supercharge your workflow.